Welcome to the Mastercard Foundation EdTech Fellowship Cohort Zoom Demo Day.
This is a program we are doing in partnership with CcHUB as it is here in Nigeria. And the aim of this particular program really is to accelerate 36 EdTech entrepreneurs.
Investment in education and even primarily EdTech requires a whole lot. And in terms of collaboration, private sector, public sector, startups, what are some of the approaches in terms of those partnerships that you think are possible?
I see a future where even peoples with disabilities can have access to the same level of education that regular students have. And there's just so much that can be achieved with technology, whether in the classroom or out of the classroom. For me, I think learning is 24 hours. How do you use technology to help students make 24 hours a learning experience?
Essentially implementing programs and working with a number of stakeholders to figure out how we can leverage technology to improve learning outcomes.
If you think EdTech, one thing that comes to your mind is connectivity. So I'm putting this out now to our telco stakeholders in the room. How are you supporting and creating enabling environments for our EdTech innovators?
When we partner with like OEMs, like the phone manufacturers, for them to help us distribute, that helps. Data bundling is also another part of it, because we have some of these contents in where you have to consume and you need a large volume of data to do this.
I think with the government, we need to bring together the telcos to really understand the way we have the social media data packs. Let us also have education data packs.
One of the things that we are keen on is really advancing education and financial inclusion to really catalyze prosperity.
But more importantly, we love founders who are committed. Founders who, when they think about the solutions and the businesses that they're building, they understand that every single user is not just a number, it's an actual person with an actual life, with dreams and goals of what they want to unlock, not just for themselves, for their communities and for their societies.
The entire fellowship has been incredible. I definitely recommend that you apply. Everything from the learning content support from Carnegie Mellon University to the support from CcHUB, across pretty much every vertical you can think of needing to excel in as a founder, they have you covered.
For people who are looking to, still apply for the next course, I would say that so they should keep in mind inclusivity and accessibility.